Okay, this is how your broth should come out, your turkey stock. And that's roasted turkey stock. And all the little bubbles on top, that's basically some fat cells from the turkey. And I usually store it, or you could freeze it. Use it for delicious gravies, some soups. Oh my God, the winter time. So I'll tell you, you save your stock, or you could can it, jar it, and then store it. Here's the cheesecloth. You put it over the strainer, and then you strain it. I recycle my my cheesecloth because it can get pricey, but this is a really good way to savor your stock. I'm going to be making a creamy a broccoli cheese cream soup. I can't wait to make that. That should be delicious. And basically that's it. That's how you make your stock. And I think I have a couple of other videos on how to do it. So I thought maybe I'd show you that real quick. And I'm gonna store these, and you mark your the date and store them. And then like I said, you could freeze them and then use them over the winter, the colder months. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.